Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro, and let me share with you how to clean up or free up the storage without removing the apps. So first of all, the option to clear cache. We have to open the settings here. Let's scroll and find apps and services, and then go to apps which are at the top. Now all I recommend here is to go through all of those apps, or most of them, especially those which are using frequently, and by tapping on the specific app, go to storage, and here localize the cache. Basically, cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. And what I highly recommend to do is to simply tap on clear cache. And as I said, just go through all of those apps, and thanks to it you will release the memory. Another thing which you can do is to find the optimizer. So it is pre-installed by the developer, for example in those HUAWEI apps. So simply tap on it and go to optimizer. Here you've got something called cleanup, so just tap on it, and here you will be able to check all of the recommendations what you can do. So for example, you can make some kind of compress action. Here you can also remove junk files, cached videos, residual files, etc., or duplicated files, which is also really nice because usually we forget about duplicated files. So I highly recommend to simply go through this cleanup and to remove unnecessary things. Another thing which I highly recommend to do, which was not listed in the optimizer, is to open the downloads and check your downloads, because usually we are downloading a lot of stuff and we forget about it. So just open the file manager, which is also provided by your developer. Here in the file manager, usually you will start with this recent option, so just go to browse here, and here we've got the source, which is downloads or received files. Just tap on it, and here you can choose the source, so the Bluetooth, HUAWEI Share, or download manager, and you can go through all of those sections and check the content, check the files, because if something is not really that important or you don't really need it right now, then simply remove it, and for sure you will release some memory. And the last thing which I highly recommend, and I personally also do it, is to consider a backup, because backup will give you two, or actually more, but let's talk about two advantages. The first one is that you will keep your photos and videos in a secured place, because if something will happen to your device, then you will still have the access to your photos which are saved in another place. So I highly recommend to do that. And the second advantage is that if you will have it stored in another place, to which you've got constant access, you can remove them from the internal storage of your device, and thanks to it release a lot of memory, because the videos and photos are taking a lot of space, especially those which are high quality or long videos. So highly recommend that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.